So this is the Majick Carpet, and we're moving it, we're about to move it downstairs today to take some pictures for the Luxembourg Art Prize. And we can't get like a bird's eye view from this room because the ceiling's not high enough, so and we're going to take it downstairs where the ceilings are higher.
How many hours would you think you have in this?
Hundreds.
Hundred. And what about yards of ribbon? Any idea?
Yards of ribbon. Well, I think I have like 450 feet. So.
450 feet. It's a lot.
Yeah. It is. Yes. That's my view. It's the fabric. It's making it hard for me to see.
Wow. It looks so good.
It really looks kind of unnatural to have it kind of like pushed up like that. But then pushed down, does it really make that much difference? It doesn't look great pushed down either.
I don't know, but the shot looks cool of you doing that. Yeah. Ooh, there's an orb. A light orb.
There's a what?
There's a light orb.
Oh, really?
Yeah, from the light.
This is good though. Move it this way. And see if I can still lean out far enough to get it. It's just like hard to see.
Yeah.
Why? Actually, I could probably. But this is like main event. Me going up and down the ladder.
Hi.
So yeah, we're getting the real shot now. For the money shot.
The money shot.